Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you some balatong tricks. This isn't a real balatong knife, it's a comb. So, I'm going to teach you how to do some balatong tricks though, since they still work the same. So, let me close this first. So, when it's closed, you flick like this. Hold it like this. Do this with your hand. Hold it like this. Make sure. Flick. And then don't hold it like that. Hold it. That's dangerous. You all know how sharp balatong knives are. Flick. Better. Hold it like this. And then after you hold it like this, it doesn't fall off. Oh yes, it does. Hold on. Flick. Sorry, I'm holding it wrong. Hold it from here. Flick. Sorry, actually, you hold it from the front. Then you flick. What the heck? Well, yeah. Usually, you just hold the front piece, and then you flick, and you grab this piece like this. Here, watch. So, you flick. How did I get so bad at this? So you flick like, no. What do I go? Boom, boom, boom. When you drop it, who's gonna be laughing now? I don't know. But what you wanna do is, oh, there you go. Here, watch. While you're grabbing it like this, twirl like this. Or if you wanna learn something cooler, this, and it's still simple. Or down like this. Boom. Cut it. Cut it again. Real simple. It's just probably like it's just an opening closing trick. You just catch it like that, or then, yeah, it's just an opening closing. Don't always have to do it like that. You can do it like this, so it's like this. Don't hold it like that. Don't hold it like that. Well, no, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's hold it like that. I haven't been trained that much. I mean, I just got the thing. I do this. I don't think I trained myself. No, yeah, you hold it like this, and then flick it like you're throwing it, like this. Throw it like this, and then boom, and it won't hit. The sharp side won't hit you. There's no possible way. It's the safest way to do it. Look. Sometimes get mad at this knife. I can't get mad at him. Oh. Don't get in its way. Don't get in its way. Just hold it like this. Don't hit you. There we go. Hit you on the safe side. I wish I made butterfly knives that can only like just stab, not like hack away on this side or the side. Pretty cool. But they can't do that with the comb. If they did, that'd be cool too. But yeah, I'm just trying to make this video so there'll be more videos of Balaton openings. And you're welcome. And peace. Ooh, I can get in the camera. Wow. Yeah. Peace.